Missing the point. Opposition spokesman blasts cost review of Welcome to Montego Bay sign. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, change our culture. Aggressive relationships being blamed for some assault cases in the hotel industry.
Stop it. Volunteers serving rotten food to street people warned.
Extension. Downtown Kingston vendors get more hours to sell during state of emergency.
Involve Us. PSOJ pushes to be part of SOE discussions between government and opposition.
And in business news, big drop. Pump prices fall to 9-month low.
There's also sports post commentary and weather in the primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening asking, what's been your experience traveling on the roads recently during the holidays?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet at television jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.